As a Gold Competency Microsoft partner specializing in data analytics solutions, our team at Enlighten Designs continues to explore the full breadth of Power BI, including the creation of interactive infographics and award-winning Power BI custom visuals. As co-collaborator on Microsoft's data journalism program, we believe the future of storytelling is beautiful, interactive, and data-driven. To show how Power BI can be used for interactive infographics, we'll take a look at an infographic we did for Microsoft to offer insights into how more girls can be encouraged and supported in pursuing STEM careers, being science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Telling stories with data establishes an organization as an authority and thought leader, which is increasingly important as we see brands transforming from advertisers to publishers. Visual content is 40 times more likely to be shared on social, which increases the potential for more impact, perfect for amplifying social messages. Microsoft commissioned a survey from KRC Research and found that girls are losing interest in STEM as they get older. Using Power BI and publish to web functionality, we created an infographic that was published through Microsoft's media channels to engage their online audiences. This report was published as part of an article by Tech Trends, where it was embedded directly in the web page, interactive and ready to explore. Let's take a closer look at this report. On the first page, you can see how confidence in STEM drops as girls get older, and filtered down to see how this varies across different parts of the country to build relevance to the reader. Moving through the report, we can see explorable data on the impact of female role models, and the creativity and positive impact in STEM. Here, you can see 73% of girls believe they can create or build something great. And that drops to 69% of young women who believe they can create or build something great. I find it interesting that while 80% of girls describe themselves as creative, only 31% think STEM jobs involve being creative. This tells us we should be focusing on increasing awareness of the creativity in STEM careers. There's more data to explore. As we continue through, we can see how being in STEM clubs affects the knowledge of how to pursue a career, and finally, something that, as a father, I find really interesting. On this page, we can change the combination of significant role models between parents and teachers, and see the range of effects on interest across lots of different STEM subjects. Having an encouraging dad and mum who communicate about STEM is associated with girls being on average 27 points more interested in STEM compared to girls who do not get encouraged at all. We end with a great call to action, encouraging the reader to find out and research more information, looping the reader back out of the report and continuing the brand experience. Thanks so much for joining us illustrating an example of an interactive infographic created with Power BI and published to web functionality. Enlighten specializes in the use of data storytelling to engage online audiences through interactive infographics, enterprise-level PR initiatives, data journalism for breaking news stories, broadcast television, live elections, and much more. You can find us on Microsoft AppSource and also at enlightendesigns.com. Thanks again for watching.